Now you can say goodbye to fatty liver in just 14 days, naturally, without medicines. Here are some proven remedies which can help reverse fatty liver in just 2 weeks. Start your morning with this proven liver detox drink. Add 1/4 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper into hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes, then add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Sip it warm on an empty stomach. It will boost detoxification and reduces liver inflammation. Next, black coffee. Yes, it's actually great for your liver. It's packed with antioxidants that help prevent liver fibrosis. Drink 1 cup daily. Use organic coffee for better results. This natural juice made by chopping 1 small beetroot and 1 small apple and blending them together with 1 cup water. This delicious drink is a liver powerhouse. It helps cleanse, heal, and flush out stored fat. Support your liver with smarter choices. Swap your regular cooking oil for coconut or extra virgin olive oil. These healthy fats fight inflammation and improve liver function. And don't forget to move. Just 30 minutes of walking or light jogging daily boosts circulation and helps reduce liver fat naturally. Add this dandelion root tea to your routine. It stimulates bile production and flushes toxins out. Also, eat more garlic, onions, and leeks. They're loaded with allium and selenium, which naturally cleanse your liver and help it burn fat more effectively. Consistency is the key. Add these habits to your daily routine and say goodbye to fatty liver the natural way. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple and powerful health tips.